the peanut that fell over. Poor little guy. Alrighty, so Brian and I parted ways on— Yikes, I left my sunglasses in my room. Good morning, friends. Hello. My niece is driving me. Alrighty guys, so I am back from Target. And good morning, friends, and happy Friday. Alrighty, so I'm back in my room. Okay, probably not a very good like view, but we'll do the best that we can. Oh yeah. Okay, slide it over. Okay, so I'm wearing Lisa's hat right now, but there are reasons why I did not go out there and do it, because I just knew that I couldn't, so. But it's so comical just watching them. Good morning, friends, and happy Sunday. All right, so good to know. All right, so they smell delicious. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try a couple of these. Oh, these are really good. That's awesome. $5. $5. Good morning, friends. Breakfast in our room again. Alrighty guys, so I am back from getting my nails done. I have finally had to put my hair back in a ponytail. It is scorching freaking hot outside. So here we go again. Whoa, my God. There's brakes. Ah, Jesus. So Brian and I are about 2 hours from home, and I've been wanting to stop off at this new Great Wolf Lodge that they just built. Okay, so we found our way over here to the museum, and we're gonna hopefully go tour. Oh, so excited to go through. Come on, Max! Hey, she's making me dance. So, alrighty guys, so I am in my bed, about ready to crash. Alright guys, so we had a change of plans. Hey guys, so we made it to Pensacola safely. Forgot. So I'm here with London. Hey guys! And I'm here with Amaya. Yes. Amaya! Alrighty guys, so London and I are done with our day. Alrighty, so next stop on the Cato Family Travels channel. The arch is right there. You guys can see that's where the arch is at. This is what happens to my hair when I have those braids up. It looks like I got an 80s perm. Bye! So I have a joke. How did the chicken cross the road? Alrighty guys, so we are all packed up and ready for our debarkation tomorrow morning. My camera will probably fog up again, but anyway, it is a muggy day. The rain is not going to let up at all today. I can't wait to open these guys, and I will open these later on when I get home and share all of them with you guys. I'm gonna reveal where we are going later on in the video. I'm trying to get the light in here from the window and it's not working very well.